In this video, I'm going to show you how to break down, clean, and reassemble a .40 caliber Smith and Wesson Baby Desert Eagle. It's made by Israel Military Industries. It's an excellent firearm, very nice, really simple to break down and use. So first thing, eject the magazine, make sure it's all unloaded. We're good there. Then pull the slide back, and you'll see right here there's a button or a piece of metal we got to push down. A little trick I like to use is use the back end of the cleaning rod. When you get it all the way back here, then you can use the cleaning rod to help you push that down, because sometimes it is difficult to push in. And if your gun is well oiled, it can be tricky to hold the slide back. So there we go. We got that. Now we'll just pull this out. Some weapons have a little tool you can use to help you with that, but this is just fine. Now, remove the slide. That's all the further we're going to go with this. I'm not going to pull apart the trigger or anything, but I am going to use some of this Rem oil. It's real easy stuff. It comes with a little straw that you can use to get right in those tight spots, and we'll just kind of juice that up a little bit. Then take the spring out, real simple, and remove the barrel. With the barrel removed, I'll take my cleaning patch and the ramming rod and go right down there. And then I'll get a little oil in there. Do the same thing once again. Now you can use any type of ramming rod. I've got a few different cleaning kits that you can use. This one is kind of a more portable one. Then I've got my favorite one here. It's a nice 76-piece universal. All the different kinds of stuff you can use. All different kinds of heads, little brushes. I'll have links to all that stuff in the description below. Once you have that barrel cleaned out, wipe it down with a gun oil wet rag, and you can put it back in place. I want to make sure to get all the skin oil off of there, because the oils on our skin are pretty rough on weapons. So go like that. Then put the spring back in place, just like that. Juice up the whole thing, and then we are ready to put the slide back on. So to put the slide back on, you see there are a couple little tabs there and a little track there. All we do is line them right up and push it back in place. Now we'll take this and put it right where it goes, but we have to make sure to put the slide back and then push that in. Everything is back in place where it belongs. The final thing I will do is just give that a little shot and wipe down the magazine, because that always gets touched a lot of times, gets a lot of oil on there. Put that back in place, wipe down the rest of the gun, and we are all set. That is it. That is how to clean a .40 caliber Smith and Wesson Baby Desert Eagle handgun.